Imagine a world where the night sky is void of our silvery celestial companion. What if Earth didn't have a moon? A question that poses intriguing possibilities, realms of thought that transcend the boundaries of our everyday life. This isn't just a question of aesthetics or romantic moonlit walks, but a fundamental query that pokes at the very fabric of our existence. How would our world be if the cosmic dice had rolled differently? If our planet, in its galactic journey, never got a moon of its own? Today, we stand on the precipice of this fascinating exploration. We will juxtapose our current state, a world with a moon, against a hypothetical reality, a world without one. Our journey will weave through the spheres of science, astronomy, and life itself as we unravel the threads of this captivating question. So let's embark on this journey of imagination and scientific reasoning. Our Earth, as we know it, has a moon, a constant companion orbiting around it. This celestial body, bright and beautiful, is more than just a pretty sight in our night sky. It plays a significant role in shaping our planet and life as we know it. Let's dive into the ways it does so. Imagine a day at the beach. The ebb and flow of the ocean waves is a soothing sight, isn't it? This rhythmic movement of the sea, known as tides, is the moon's doing. Its gravitational pull tugs at our Earth, causing the ocean waters to swell and recede. Without the moon, our days at the beach would be a lot less dynamic. Now let's talk about our nights. The moon is like a nightlight for Earth, illuminating the darkness with its glow. It reflects the sun's light, providing a sense of comfort and beauty to our nighttime world. For centuries, it has guided sailors at sea, inspired countless pieces of art, and sparked our curiosity about the cosmos. The moon's influence extends beyond tides and nights, though. It also helps stabilize our planet's axis. Earth wobbles on its axis, and without the moon's gravitational influence, this wobble could be much more extreme, leading to drastic changes in our climate. So you could say the moon is like a steadying hand, keeping Earth's tilt in check and our seasons predictable. On a cultural note, the moon has been a source of fascination and reverence in many societies. It's been a muse for poets, a calendar for farmers, and a symbol of mystery and romance. From a scientific perspective, it's our first step into space, a testament to human ingenuity and exploration. The moon, as it turns out, plays a pivotal role in making Earth the planet we know and love. It's not just a silent spectator in our sky, but a dynamic player in the story of our world. Our moon, our Earth, they are a pair, each influencing the other in profound ways. But what if Earth was devoid of its lunar companion? How different would our planet be? Let's start with our oceans. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of our tides. Without the moon, the water in our oceans would be distributed evenly around the Earth. That might sound peaceful, but the absence of tides could have dire consequences for marine life, many of which rely on tides for breeding and feeding. Then there's Earth's rotation. Our planet spins on an axis, a tilt that's stabilized by the moon. Without the moon's gravitational anchor, the Earth could wobble dramatically on its axis, causing extreme shifts in climate and weather. Imagine seasons changing unpredictably, with winters that could last for decades, followed by blistering summers. And what about our nights? The moon is our night's primary source of natural light. Without it, nights would be significantly darker, with only the stars and the far-off planets for illumination. This darkness could have a profound impact on life on Earth. Many species, particularly nocturnal animals and insects, rely on the moon's light to hunt, navigate, and mate. Without it, their survival would be challenged. Additionally, many sea creatures use the moon's light to synchronize their behaviors. For instance, coral reefs spawn en masse in a spectacle of fertility, timed precisely with the lunar cycle. Without the moon, these events could become chaotic or cease entirely, potentially leading to a decline in populations of these species. Our Earth's rhythm, from the changing of tides, the transition of seasons, to the behaviors of countless species, is inextricably linked with the moon. So, an Earth without a moon might be quite different, perhaps even unrecognizable. Our world's natural balance and the life it supports have evolved under the steady gaze of our lunar companion. Its absence would, in many ways, turn our familiar Earth into an alien planet. One cannot ignore the impact of the moon on life as we know it. Let's think about it. The moon has been a constant companion to Earth, and its presence has shaped the evolution of life, including human evolution, in ways that are profound yet often overlooked. The moon's gravitational pull has been instrumental in creating the conditions necessary for life to flourish. Its gravitational influence creates the tides that rhythmically wash our shores. These tides have played a significant role in the early evolution of life, driving the transition of organisms from water to land. Imagine a world without tides, where the water in the oceans remains mostly stagnant. The diversity of life we see today might not exist. The moon also stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which ensures we have consistent seasons. Without the moon, the Earth's axis could wobble dramatically, leading to extreme climatic conditions. Seasons as we know them would be unrecognizable, and the stable environment needed for complex life to evolve might not exist. It's not just about the moon's physical effects, though. The moon has also shaped us culturally and psychologically. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the moon, using it as a celestial clock and calendar. It has inspired countless myths, stories, and pieces of art. It has sparked our curiosity and driven us to explore beyond our own planet. Without the moon, would we have been inspired to reach for the stars? Would the night sky hold the same allure? It's hard to say. The moon's absence might not only have changed our physical world, but also the way we think, dream, and imagine. The moon, despite its silent presence in our sky, has been a crucial player in the drama of life on Earth. Its influence is so profound that life, as we understand it, might not exist without it. Indeed, the moon is more than just a beautiful ornament in our night sky. It's a catalyst, a stabilizer, and an inspirer. It's a silent partner in our evolution, and without it, we might not be here to ponder these questions. Life as we understand it might not exist without our moon. So, we've taken a journey through a world both familiar and unfamiliar. We've delved into the deep mysteries of our universe, challenging our understanding of our home planet and its celestial companion, the moon. We started by exploring the relationship between the Earth and the moon. We discussed how the moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of our oceans, creating tides that have shaped our coastlines for millions of years. We also touched on how the moon's presence stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, ensuring a relatively stable climate that has allowed life to flourish. We then ventured into the realm of the hypothetical, painting a picture of an Earth devoid of its moon. We imagined a world where nights are darker, tides are solely directed by the sun, and the Earth spins much faster. This faster rotation could lead to extreme winds and weather patterns, rendering our planet quite different from the one we know today. Next, we discussed the moon's profound impact on life. From the lunar calendar that has guided civilizations for thousands of years, to the inspiration it has provided for countless works of art and literature, the moon's influence is deeply woven into the fabric of human culture. We also considered the potential for life on other planets, and how a moon or lack thereof could shape the evolution of life elsewhere in the universe. Lastly, we reflected on the moon's role in sparking human curiosity and exploration. From the ancient astronomers who first charted its course, to the Apollo astronauts who left their footprints in its dust, the moon has always been a beacon guiding us towards discovery. It's clear that our moon, often taken for granted, is a significant part of our planetary story. Its absence would not merely darken our night sky, but would fundamentally alter the Earth and life as we know it. As we gaze upon that silvery orb in the sky, let's remember the myriad ways in which it shapes our world and our lives. And let's continue to explore, always driven by our curiosity and our desire for understanding. We hope you've enjoyed this lunar exploration as much as we have. It's always a thrill to delve into these cosmic curiosities, isn't it? Now, we would love to hear from you. What do you think our world would be like without its loyal lunar companion? How would it change your everyday life? By subscribing to our channel, you'll continue to be part of these thought-provoking conversations. Each click on that subscribe button supports us in bringing more of these scientific explorations to light. And it's not just about listening, it's about engaging in the dialogue. Your comments are not just words on a screen, they are the fuel for the fire of knowledge and understanding. They spark discussions, ignite debates, and often lead us to new and unexpected paths of discovery. So subscribe to our channel for more intriguing questions and scientific explorations. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Remember, your opinion matters.